Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0121 indicates an issue with the Throttle Position Sensor A, which is responsible for relaying the throttle position information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Specifically, if the voltage output from the TP Sensor A falls outside the specified limits, less than 0.38 volts, or more than 4.50 volts, the PCM identifies this discrepancy and triggers the DTC. The TP sensor is integrated with the throttle body and plays a critical role in managing engine performance and efficiency. Located within the engine compartment, this sensor is essential for proper throttle operation and can affect various engine functions. The PCM uses the voltage output to adjust fuel mixture and ignition timing. When troubleshooting DTC P0121, a systematic approach is needed to identify whether the fault lies with the sensor, its circuitry, or the PCM itself. DTC P0121 signifies an out-of-range voltage from the Throttle Position TP Sensor A. This sensor is a vital component located in the throttle body, which regulates engine airflow by managing throttle position. The TP Sensor A's role is crucial. It sends real-time voltage signals to the PCM to indicate how far the throttle plate is open, which is essential for fuel management and engine performance. A voltage below 0.38 volts or above 4.50 volts indicates a malfunction, prompting the PCM to log DTC P0121. The sensor's location within the throttle body means that any physical issues can affect both the TP sensor and throttle operation. A thorough understanding of this component's function is key to diagnosing and resolving the error code correctly. Several possible causes can lead to DTC P0121. First, a faulty throttle body can arise if the TP Sensor A has internal issues or lubrication problems, impeding its functionality. Second, the external circuit linked to the TP Sensor A may exhibit wear or damage, disrupting the necessary voltage signals to the PCM. The VCC3 power supply, THL1 signal, and SG3 ground circuits are all interconnected. If any of these wires are compromised, whether by shorting, open circuits, or corrosion, it can trigger the error. Lastly, the PCM itself may be at fault if all other components are functioning normally. The PCM is responsible for interpreting signals from various sensors, so any issues here can have widespread consequences across vehicle systems. When DTC P0121 is present, several symptoms may manifest that indicate underlying issues. One significant symptom is compromised engine performance. The vehicle may hesitate or struggle during acceleration, impacting drivability. Drivers may also experience fluctuations in power delivery, creating an inconsistent driving experience. Furthermore, the check engine light, CEL, will be illuminated as a direct response to the recorded error code. This serves as a warning sign that the vehicle's performance or emissions control systems are compromised. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in diagnosing and addressing the issue before it leads to more serious mechanical failures. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0121 involves switching the vehicle to the on mode. This allows the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to access real-time data from the TP Sensor A. By checking the HDS for the TP Sensor A voltage values, technicians can determine if they fall outside the normal range of 0.38 volts to 4.50 volts. If the voltage indicates less than 0.38 volts or exceeds 4.50 volts, this confirms the malfunction outlined by DTC P0121. This step is critical as it establishes a baseline and helps isolate whether the issue is indeed with the TP sensor or related components. Proper execution of this step aids in preventing unnecessary part replacements and ensures that the diagnosis remains focused. For the second troubleshooting step, the throttle body connector must be disconnected to inspect the TP sensor A voltage output. In this state, with the ignition mode set to on, the voltage should ideally read about 5.0 V. If it does, it indicates that the throttle body is functioning correctly, suggesting that the issue lies elsewhere. Conversely, if the reading deviates from this value, it indicates a problem with the throttle body itself. This step is crucial for validating whether the TP sensor A or the throttle body assembly is faulty without prematurely replacing components. Inspecting the voltage output provides essential insights into the functionality of the systems interconnected with the TP sensor. The third step focuses on performing thorough inspections of the circuits associated with the TP sensor A and the PCM. First, ensure that the throttle body connector and the PCM connector are both disconnected as part of standard safety precautions. The focus here is on examining the VCC3 power supply, THL1 signal, and SG3 ground circuits. Each circuit should be checked for continuity, with normal conditions indicating less than 1 ohm for VCC3, THL1, and SG3 when measured in the off state. This step is critical because any issues found during this inspection could point to underlying circuit problems, which are often the root cause of DTC P0121. Identifying and rectifying circuit issues prevents future faults and ensures a precise diagnosis. Step 4 involves a detailed inspection for shorted circuits, particularly concerning the THL1 signal wire. In this scenario, ensure that the circuit is in the off condition to perform the testing effectively. A successful inspection should reveal more than 1 megaohm when checking for any shorts to ground. If the measured resistance is insufficient, this indicates a fault in the wiring, likely caused by insulation breakdown or physical damage. Addressing any shorts is vital as they can disrupt the normal signal flow from the TP sensor A to the PCM. Any damage found at this stage requires prompt repairs or replacements to ensure the system functions as designed without triggering DTC P0121. The final troubleshooting step involves verifying the functionality of the powertrain control module, PCM, itself. If all previous inspections have confirmed that related components are operating correctly, but DTC P0121 persists, it indicates a probable fault within the PCM. Given that the PCM interprets signals from various sensors, any malfunction here will manifest through error codes like P0121. Technicians must follow OEM guidelines to apply diagnostics specifically for the PCM, which may include connectivity checks and interface testing. Confirming PCM functionality ensures that the root cause of the issue is accurately identified and rectified. Misdiagnosing can lead to expensive and unnecessary replacements, so this final step is critical for thorough troubleshooting. After completing the necessary repairs, it's crucial to perform a final verification to ensure the resolution of DTC P0121. To do this, clear the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Once the DTC is cleared, conduct a test drive to monitor vehicle performance. During the test drive, pay close attention to acceleration and engine responsiveness. If the DTC does not reappear during normal driving conditions, this confirms that the issue has been successfully resolved. It is essential to confirm proper operation of the TP sensor A and related circuits throughout various driving scenarios. Successful repair should restore normal vehicle operations and eliminate any related symptoms. Preventive maintenance is crucial in avoiding issues like DTC P0121. Regular inspections of the throttle body and the TP sensor A can help identify potential problems before they escalate. This includes checking for dirt buildup, wear and tear, which can adversely affect sensor performance. Cleaning the throttle body periodically ensures that the components function smoothly without restrictions, which can impact the signal sent to the PCM. Using OEM-recommended cleaning solutions aids in maintaining the integrity of the throttle and sensor unit. Following a structured preventive maintenance schedule minimizes risks of triggering DTC P0121 and similar faults, keeping the vehicle's performance at optimal levels. In conclusion, DTC P0121 points to issues with the throttle position sensor A, triggering voltage readings outside normal limits. A systematic diagnostic approach, starting from sensor checks to PCM investigation, is essential for effective troubleshooting. Understanding the role of each component involved aids in accurately isolating the fault and ensuring appropriate repairs are made. Thorough inspections of circuits and related components are critical in identifying any underlying issues. Emphasizing preventive maintenance will help minimize the chances of future occurrences of DTC P0121. By taking these steps seriously, vehicle owners can ensure optimal performance and longevity for their Honda CR-V 2023 Plus. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.